Portable diffuser, Dr. Scent. Open the device and remove the bottle to change it. Touch on the device from the top for 4 seconds to turn it on or off. The device will stop automatically after 1 hour when you choose the first level. The second level will work for 10 seconds and stop for 1 minute. It will shut off automatically after 4 hours. For the third level, it will work for 5 seconds and stop for 3 minutes. On the fourth level, it will work for 5 seconds and stop for 5 minutes. And on the fifth level, it will work for 5 seconds and stop for 10 minutes. Once the battery charge is below 20%, the first orange indicating light will flicker. It will shut off automatically when dumping 10 degrees or reversing the device. Enjoy Dr. Scent Portable Diffuser.
Dr. Scent, breeze of joy.